Chainsaw Man Chapter 190 release date. According to Shueisha's official manga reader website, the next Chainsaw Man chapter releases on Tuesday, January 14th, at 7 a.m. Pacific Time, PT. Chainsaw Man Chapter 190 launch date time zone. Tuesday, January 14/time. JST. 12 a.m. January 15th. GMT+8. 11 p.m. Eastern Time, 10 a.m. Central Time, 9 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time, Western European Time. 3 p.m. Central European Time, 4 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time. 8:30 p.m. Where to read the Chainsaw Man manga? Chainsaw Man is available on the official Viz Media website, which offers all released chapters under a monthly $2 subscription. The first 3 chapters and chapters 188 to 189 are available for free accounts. It's also on Manga Plus, Shueisha's globally available manga reader.